like off the stove. This might be a bad idea. Oh!
What just happened? Gee! No, someone jumped on something. Holy shit! Is everything alright, man? Yeah. Got this stumble.
Just let me jump up on that.
That's wild.
Go ahead out soon. Yeah.